joined today by Dan Barsness, Vice President of Global Product Management and E-commerce at Protolabs. Protolabs, based in Minnesota, is a digital manufacturing service provider, offering automated 3D printing, CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, and injection molding to speed up product assembly for clients around the world. So, now on to rapid manufacturing. Can you explain what that is? Really, for first, high level, how does it differ from traditional manufacturing? How much faster are we talking?
Yeah, right. We're quite empathetic to customers that claims of speed are kind of loose and unvalidated in the marketplace. Everyone says they're fast. Okay, we'll prove it. So a couple of our proof points, we can kind of go through the process. When you think about quoting, traditional manufacturing, we find response time is days to weeks or never. Depending on the situation. All of our quotes are created either instantly, meaning seconds, or in a matter of 3 to 4 hours if it's a more complicated project. And so that's actually so fast that we find engineers actually use us in their design process just to test different designs for manufacturability or test different designs for cost. So it's actually a quoting for us is kind of a consulting service, we offer for free in the background. And so that's a fun way to help. When it comes to the manufacturing process itself, on our CNC machining business, our typical lead time is 3 days, but we go as fast as same day, which is something we're really proud to offer. And we're expanding that capability to be able to do it for more and more part types. On the injection molding side, this was the original part of the business. We can create an injection mold in as fast as a day or two. Our longest lead times are 15 days, but that compares to an industry standard that's weeks and months. And for production tooling, of course, that can go out to many months, as much as a year. And then when it comes to the injection molded parts, we can deliver thousands of parts in a 5 to 10 day lead time, and that's kind of our bread and butter business there.
So, that said, what kinds of tech do you use to accelerate your manufacturing processes?
Yeah, tech. Yeah, we get asked this a lot, and people always wonder, hey, do you use machine learning? Hey, do you use 3D printing? Well, yeah, we use all that. We use 3D printing in our own processes as well as providing it to customers. It's a pretty broad range. So as I mentioned, we use digital inspection technologies. We have a pretty broad range of network smart machines that give us insight into how the processes are running. We have as you can imagine, being a digitally powered company, pretty robust, scalable, containerized architecture that we use behind the scenes. That's really key because not only do we have to be competent and fast with our software applications, but we have to be flexible. And you can probably imagine that digital thread in the background is highly coupled. And so that's a place where we've been making investments to make that digital thread more flexible. We also use technologies to help us better understand what customers want. We're doing thousands of quotes a day. We don't talk to every customer. And so we have experimentation tools that allow us to present an offer, communicate in a couple of different ways, and then we can see what resonates. And this kind of thing is going on in the background all the time at a place like Amazon, and we've adopted that test and learn philosophy as well. So there's lots of technologies. I guess I think we can probably all agree that the secret sauce or the value comes from how you string them together. And I'd also say it's not just how you string the technology together, but how do you mate it with operating processes and data and the way that people work. And so, collectively, we pull all those levers to do what we can do.